In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access support through the Pocket Demo dashboard using the chat feature. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're able to connect with support effortlessly. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Pocket Demo dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a picture. This usually represents your profile icon. Clicking on this picture will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options related to your account and other settings. Among the options in the drop-down menu, keep an eye out for the one labeled Support. Clicking on this will redirect you to a new section dedicated to helping you with any issues or inquiries you might have. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the support section of any platform you use frequently, as it can be an invaluable resource when you run into questions or roadblocks. After you've clicked on Support, you'll see another option appear: Support Chat. This is your direct link to instant assistance and can be incredibly useful for getting quick help for more urgent queries. Select Support Chat, and you'll be taken to the next page where the magic happens. Once you're on the new page, you'll notice that a chat box will automatically pop up. This is your access point to the support service. Through this chat box, you can type in any questions or problems you may be facing. There's a team on the other side ready and willing to assist you. Remember that when you're typing your questions or explaining any issues, clarity is key. Providing detailed information will help the support team understand your situation better and offer more precise guidance. This chat system makes it incredibly convenient to receive help without the need for back-and-forth emails or waiting on hold if you're calling customer service. It offers a real-time interaction, which is ideal for resolving concerns efficiently. Whether it's troubleshooting, getting more information about a feature, or providing feedback, this chat box is your one-stop solution. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily navigate to the support chat in your Pocket Demo dashboard and have your queries addressed promptly. This feature is designed to streamline the support process, making it as seamless as possible so that you can get back to focusing on what you love. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with anyone else who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.